In the previous class, we have seen how to use the concept of escape sequence to print the content of the printf function in a very beautiful way. Apart from that, C also provides more features where we can control the width and precision of a format specifier, means the content of the format specifier. How that can be done, that we are going to understand in this class. So we'll try to understand the syntax of that first, and later we'll try to understand this concept by using examples. So the syntax says that within the specification of %d and the format specifier %d, within that we can specify the flag, width or precision. So let's try to understand this syntax by using an example. By using our first example, we will try to understand how to control the width of the format specifier, means the content of the format specifier. So that can be done. So here what I have taken is printf %5d. So far we haven't seen this. So what does this 5 states? The 5 states that I want the width of my output should always be having 5 spaces, a minimum of 5 spaces. Make a note of it, a minimum of 5 spaces. Means, for example, so the corresponding value of this %d is this one, right? Okay, now I am expecting this 123 to be printed. So now the output will get printed with a minimum of 5 spaces. So earlier, without this 5, how it is going to be printed? It will take the exact size of the output. So as we are having 3 digits, that exact 3 digit space will be allocated for this value. But by using this, by using this 5 in between the percentage and D symbol, we are controlling the width. Try to understand this. We are controlling the width. What does this 5 states is? A minimum of 5 spaces must be allocated. See how the output is going to be. This is how the output will get printed. So a minimum of 5 spaces. I used these dashed lines to understand 5 spaces. Okay, so 5 spaces has been used and it will be right aligned. The text by default 5D states that the text or the content will be right aligned. Towards right, the content will get aligned. So this is how we control the width of the format specifiers. Okay, and apart from this, we can use a flag along with this 5. So what does that mean is, so this is without a flag and with flag. What is that flag? Flag means a minus symbol. Whenever we use -5D, what happens is width is controlled, but the alignment will also get controlled. So how the alignment will get controlled? It will become left aligned. By default, it is right aligned. Whenever we use -5, it is going to be right aligned. A minimum of 5 spaces will get allocated and it will be left aligned. Previously, it is right aligned. Now, how to control the precision? For example, what I have done is, I have taken this example. So let's take this 57 by 7. What it is going to be? It is going to print this long output, 8.14285 and 1.142857. So it is going to be recursive, right? Now I want to control this size. I want only 2 values to be printed after the decimal. How can I do that? So I have taken this example. So this is how the precision can be controlled. Percentage 0.2f. 0.2 states that the precision should be only 2 digits after the decimal point. So that is what the precision, that is how the precision can be controlled. So what I have taken is, I have taken this value 3.14159, which is the value of pi, but I want only 2 digits after the decimal point, as this is stating the precision. This is controlling the precision. So the output is going to be 3.14. Now we can control both the width and the precision. How that can be done? See here, this is the example that I have taken. It is 10.2, percentage 10.2f. and the outcome is, so for what value I am controlling, this is the value that I am controlling it. So 3.14159. Now after the decimal point we are going to have only two values and the minimum width is 10 spaces and it is right aligned. What if I want the same output to be on the left aligned? All you need to give is just give a minus symbol. It is a flag. Okay. By that we can control both the width and the precision. So this is another very beautiful feature that the C programming language is going to provide, and where we are going to use these features whenever we want to display big tables. So in that case, in order for the table to be beautifully displayed, we use these width and precision controls along with the concept of escape sequences, which we have learned in our previous class. So this is how we can control, we can format, we can create a formatted output by using the printf function. So that's it for this video. In the next class, we will come up with an example where we will cover all these concepts in one single example. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next class.